Okay, so we're going to go over the different functions of each muscle. First, we're going to talk about the posterior cricoarytenoids, right there. These rotate the arytenoids to open the vocal process. It's the only abductor of
So
the...
You can see that the PCAs, when they contract like this, then if you look inside, it is causing those arytenoids to open like that.
The next muscles we're going to talk about is the thyroarytenoid muscles. These both tense and relax the vocal process. So it consists of two different ones, including the thyrovocalis, which tenses the vocal folds. So those are the secondary ones at the bottom.
So you can see when this contracts, sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but when it contracts in the middle down there, it tenses up those vocal folds, brings them closer and tighter because the muscle itself tightens like that.
And then the second one is the thyromuscularis, which relaxes the vocal folds.
So when that tenses up, you can see it sort of slackens the entire length of the vocal folds. So it's these thicker red ones right here.
And then the next one is the lateral cricoarytenoids, and they rotate the whole vocal process toward the middle again.
So we have the lateral cricoarytenoids right here. So if that were to contract just like this, so the red is contracting right here and shortening, then you see on the inside, sorry, on the inside the arytenoids are coming in together just like that as this red one is contracting. So the inner arytenoids right here are just holding those arytenoids in place, kind of giving them structure, holding them together and holding everything in place so that everything else can rotate. Oh, one more thing about the adducting, of the interarytenoids. They hold things in place, but also if they were to contract, it would obviously bring the arytenoids a little bit closer together.
Right.
Like that. Okay.
Okay, so now those three are the main adductors. And now we're going to talk about a tensor, which is the cricothyroid.
Okay.
So then the cricothyroids elevate the vocal folds by lengthening and tensing them. Or it elevates pitch, sorry.
Yes. Yeah, so it's contracting right here. This yellow one is contracting, and therefore we're tilting the cricoid. And that process of tilting the cricoid, as you can see, is lengthening those vocal folds. So the epiglottis has swallowing function. So when you swallow, the epiglottis flops over the larynx and just adds a layer of protection to prevent any penetration or aspiration of food or liquid or anything like that. So, yep, that is all.